My video is about removing the adware called AdminHelper. AdminHelper is the new adware attacking many Mac computers these days. AdminHelper adware is from the AdLoad family. This particular adware, once installed, may periodically show its quite intrusive advertisements. These ads are not related to the sites that you actually visit. AdminHelper will also slow down the performance of your computer, so you need to get rid of it as soon as you can. Check your Finder, check your applications, find this AdminHelper junk program and move it to the trash. If you see something else which is suspicious, remove it too. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.